Alright guys, so what I've got for you today is a fairly standard bike lock, 4 digits, and this was sent to me by a guy on eBay, and he doesn't know the code, and I'm going to attempt to decipher it. So usually with these locks you have to, there's a bar that runs through here connected to this part of the lock, and you would have to apply tension, ideally kind of almost trying to pull the bar out of the lock, and then it's kind of uncomfortable, but then you start to rotate the dials looking for the one that's the stiffest first. So that's loose, that's loose, that's loose. I suppose that one's stiffer. Yeah, it is stiffer. So I'm going to rotate this now until we find an area that clicks into place. You probably didn't hear that, but I am sure, and there's a bit of give there. I'm going to rotate all the way through anyway. Yeah, no, it's definitely that one. So I'm going to move on to this one now, and again, same thing. Rotating through until you find one that almost falls into place. Now this one felt exactly the same as this. Just check that. Usually if you scroll back one, you can find it. Yeah, you can find that it kind of almost falls off a cliff into the number. I'll try this one next. Okay, 2 felt very suspicious. Yep, definitely 2, and there we go. So these aren't terribly secure, because you really can feel the gates as you rotate the numbers, and as I say, it feels like it falls off a ledge into the number that is programmed in. So yeah, there you go, all opened up.